Good morning guys, as you can see I'm suited up for skiing. I'm currently in Park Cities, Utah to do some skiing with my new GoPro Hero 7. So all the footage that you see from now on is going to be on the Hero 7 or my other GoPro, my Hero 5, just as a comparison. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to that now and I'll see you guys on the slopes. So we just got off the lift. We are now seeing footage on the GoPro Hero 7. I'm filming at I think 1080 or 2.3K or whatever at 60 frames a second. So it should be stabilized. That's what this run's gonna be. So let's go on down. So we just stopped for lunch and I met up with my friend James.
Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm just telling you, best channel out there.
Yeah, he's a loyal subscriber.
I am a loyal subscriber.
Anyway, we just stopped to switch batteries, eat lunch. Batteries switched. I did some 4K filming, but it wasn't the greatest, so I'm gonna stick with the 2.3K and 60 frames a second. So let's get back into it. Oh, I'm good. Yeah, I know, right? I looked over the slow sign and all of a sudden I was like, nope. I switched the GoPro from my helmet to a selfie stick kind of thing. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage like that to kind of mix things up a little bit, but we'll see how successful that is. If I fall, I fall, so. So we just got off the slopes. We're done with skiing for the day. I'm kind of worn out. We're about to go dinner. That should be it for this video. I just need to edit this and put it all together. I still haven't figured out everything with the stabilization and 4K and everything like that. I'll figure it out eventually though. Tomorrow I'll be uploading another video that's more skiing, so look out for that. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.